Welcome to our intermediate Revit glass block tutorial. In this video, we are focusing on creative freedom and unique layouts. Let's create a wall with custom panel colors to design a beautiful, unique combination. First, create a new panel type with a custom color of your choice. Next, start unpinning the panels in your existing wall and swap them out for the new custom panel you just created. Continue unpinning and replacing the panels until you reach the end of the wall, or until you are satisfied with your pattern. And that's it! You have successfully built a wall with your own custom glass block combination. Let's try using the generic model version of the glass blocks. This method is perfect for when you want to use singular blocks to create small, repetitive patterns. First, draw your reference pattern using model lines, and copy and paste them to lay out your design. Next, we need to cut openings for the blocks. Go to the Component dropdown, click Model in Place, and select Void Extrusion. Click Pick a Plane, and select the face of the wall as your reference plane. Then draw the squares to match your pattern. Click Cut tool, and select the wall and the extrusion. Now, let's start placing our individual glass blocks one by one into the voids. To make this process easier and much more precise, right-click near where we want to place the family. Navigate to the Snap Overrides menu and select Snap Mid Between 2 Points. Click on the opposite corners of the void we just created to use them as your reference points. This ensures your glass block is perfectly centered. Let's copy and paste it. From here, simply continue copying and pasting the block until your entire pattern is completely filled. Let's change some of these panels into blue ones. To speed this up, we will use the Match Type Properties tool, which you can quickly activate by typing the keyboard shortcut MA. First, click on a blue panel to select it as your source reference. Then, simply click on the other panels you want to change to instantly apply that exact same material. And we're done! In this section, we will be working with a model line grid layout that was prepared beforehand, based on a design inspiration from Pinterest. Before placing our curtain wall, let's edit its type properties first. Change both the vertical and horizontal grid layouts to fixed number, and then click OK. From here, you can adjust the exact number of vertical and horizontal grids directly in the Properties palette. Next, let's start adding custom grid lines. Activate the Curtain Grid tool and choose the One Segment Placement option. Place your grid lines, and then use the Add or Remove Segments tool to add or delete any unnecessary lines when needed. Continue this process until your entire pattern is completely finished. Finally, activate the Mullion tool. Choose the All Grid Lines Placement option, and click on our wall to instantly apply the mullions across the entire grid. This pack includes 44 fully parametric Revit glass block families, featuring a variety of patterns, custom mortar colors, and specialized corner blocks for curved or angled walls. Lightweight and BIM ready, it allows you to model using either the curtain wall system for rapid grid-based layouts or generic models for individual placement, giving you everything you need to easily design stunning facades and partitions.